All these musicians, they will kill us. Techno say no get money when they come with us. And money all of us find come now. Who gets? What the money make all of us come to Lagos? And money, oh. What is it? Woman, I carry you come from worry. That woman, the guy saying that God is good, she will. Oh, now, I cannot do the Chukumotos. Woman, all the way from worry, I carry you come. And this one we didn't hear you, bros. Or plenty women. Chairman, you bad guy. You people like you will send I love you as bulk SMS for your girls. So all of them hear this thing. And I come to like say I no come because I don't want to buy drink. And I come to this side. See this, my brother Power is about to know. See when this guy is just to this side, like say they come for YX lesson. And I will still come up, small. But it's a good one. God bless you. We don't mind that guy. This year, come on, go say people out of Nigeria, they need Asaba. Asaba way, they go put it for hotel. Give you here, you go get roommates for Asaba hotel. No answer. They don't give you bucket and candle with mosquito coil. I say this guy will be asking for jail. Asaba. Because that picture with brush me, man shake you. I don't know this man shake you. They won't close we put for Instagram some days back, we say at 40,000. Now that you say poverty bad, some people they like Jesus, this is my house rent. This money will feed me for 1 month. Then why they follow you big casual? When you don't say no be your level, you won't go kill yourself. See that boy, because the way you tag us, then go tag you with that cloth when we wear. No try am. You go tag this kind of cloth for your page. People will ask you, what have happened to you? Is this the condition you will find yourself in? Are you going up, you're going down? There will be a cobra, say why? What is happening to your brother? No tag this kind of cloth for your leg. You tag me, I'm going to follow you. I go tag myself, that's a story that you write in name, like everybody in school. You don't make your meter, you attack me. My brother, you need to make your time. What is all this? Poverty. You don't carry your bros. Because I don't give bros, you be using the water around. That's who be you, who you be. DJ, but I can't call this guy joke. Now they play, you know, you play, say, no, me. I can't use from him to come this Lagos. That's spontaneous, Abi. I only brought you here to go for. So I have to tell you why they do it. I'm going for you why life. Don't say, hey, you get the kind of money where you go spray your mother-in-law on your traditional marriage day. Your mother-in-law will begin to develop feelings for you. That's the spirit of money. She go anytime when you come to her house, she go use her husband, please serve me food. They tell you the condition. You don't know, nothing like first son again. No, who get money for family? I'm the chief monarch. Anybody will die now, you will get money, now you the chief monarch. You find girls. This girl natural, fine. Look at these girls really carry big eyelash. One day I didn't like a breeze just they blow me for back of my head. Like say, they can only say like get eyelash really go up and down. They blow me breeze. Any runs get away from East Con Lagos, 2 weeks, 2 months, she don't make am, open saloon. All those our runs girls for worry, where they fear everybody then. See girls for girls they do runs for worry. Then they say all the big men, they do ritual. She carry runs girl for worry. Once when I enter room, she go bring her own bedsheet. Then they fear everything. They carry their own bedsheets, their own pillow, their own everything. Oh, wow, watch one film. Aki the fresh firewood. Bros, hear this thing what they talk, bros. Get one film. I do that way they act though. No say on our own get level. Get one film where I watch. Aki, they not Aki now. Aki they got firewood. They come show 30 years later. Aki come talk to Popo. They tell me some reason money buy that kind of thing. Those ladies don't they never see money. Just imagine the person like Ubi Franklin go native doctor. Don't be say they go. Imagine the person like Ubi as bros get money rich now. Don't enter native doctor house. Native doctor come and say pull your shoe. They mad. You know how much the bros shoe? How much be the full shrine? How much be the bros who be the wear dollars for leg and slippers? Not talk about shoe. How much be the full shrine? Chalk and red rope, red towel plus the full bush. Now how much? When you go tell big man to pull his shoe, are you crazy? Person like him money now come to see doctor house and say pull your shoe. How much is your shrine? Help us down here.